Hey everybody, Daniel Schuler here with the Synergy Group of Compass, and we are looking at the March Synergy Insights for DC, Montgomery County, and Arlington County. Let's remember, because we are reporting on this the month after it's happened, March was a pretty steady month in real estate. We had a good, healthy supply. Yes, supply was up quite a bit. You can see up 30% in DC, 60%, more than 60% in Montgomery County and Arlington County. Those numbers look really big, but to be honest, because inventory was so low for so long, all that suggests is that we are at a healthier level of inventory where still the best homes that are priced well and presented well sell quickly. Sellers have leverage in those situations versus homes that maybe need more work, aren't priced accordingly, have other factors that create more vulnerabilities to its overall value proposition to the market. Buyers find opportunity there and can negotiate. Further bolstering that sentiment, overall, properties were selling pretty close to 99% of what they listed for on average. That's a pretty healthy number. Back in the heyday of COVID, we were seeing 103, 104, 105%, where people were just putting huge escalation clauses. This is a really good number. In a full-on buyer's market, we will see those numbers closer to, say, 92 to 96% compared to the original list price. Lastly, suggesting the healthy market in March, 3% appreciation in DC year over year, a little more than 3% in Montgomery County, and almost 6% in Arlington County. I think we need to take a moment and kind of remember what's happening now with all of the trade wars, all of the tariffs that have been imposed, that has created market uncertainty, which is not reflected here because obviously that now is April. We will be interested to see how the April statistics match up against March, given how much more tumultuous the economic activity has been over the past couple of weeks. And then what does that mean as far as buyers and sellers in the marketplace? The last thing I would leave you with is, despite all of the uncertainty that's out there, anecdotally, I can tell you right now that the market is still in a good place overall. I think we are seeing a larger emphasis on the takeaways that we saw from March, where the best properties are still selling quickly. They may not be getting 6, 7, 8 offers, but they are still getting 1 to 3 offers, going a little above or right at asking with few contingencies. And properties that either need work, were overpriced, have other criteria that are not as attractive, are getting negotiated by buyers, because every single buyer in the market right now, when you are in an environment of macro uncertainty, are looking for value. Take all of that and make sure that these kinds of statistics are folding into the conversation that you are having with your agent as you look to buy or sell in our market, which is one of the best in the country. Stay tuned to our market insights going forward at synergysoldit.com.